Well, one of the main features of the market meltdown has been the fall in the Australian dollar, below 60 US cents. As we go to air, the dollar, you can see, has recovered, sitting back at around 60.5 US cents. But look, let's bring in here Sean Callow, Senior Foreign Exchange Analyst at ITC Markets. Sean, many thanks for your time. I mean, a lot of people suggested the Aussie dollar was bound for somewhere in the 50s at some stage. It got there pretty quickly after Trump's tariffs came out.
Yeah, that's really been the key driver, Ross. The domestic situation has taken a back seat, and it was that tariff announcement, but curiously, it was a bit of a delay. So initially, there was some hope that, maybe the Aussie dollar can hold up okay after that announcement, even as stocks were falling last Thursday and into Friday. The Aussie was still hanging around 63 cents against the US dollar. The US dollar, in turn, obviously a bit undermined in terms of its interest rate support by talk of recession. But then it all happened on Friday, very heavy fall. And it really is genuinely weak against a number of currencies. So the Aussie's under great pressure. Sure.
OK, so just one thing. I thought Donald Trump's strategy was to get the US dollar down. That should have meant the Aussie dollar rose against the US dollar. So why did it do exactly the opposite to what Donald Trump was trying to achieve?
Well, I think it's a bit of a secondary thing for him, the currency impact. So for him, the quickest way to fix these trade deficits that keep him awake at night and infuriate him is to put on tariffs and take all sorts of steps and really pressure foreign currencies to open their markets to US goods. So that's his number one concern. I think he realizes that there's maybe a limit to what he can do for the US dollar. But I tell you what, if he drives the economy into recession and the Fed's cutting rates very sharply, then he will get that weaker US dollar that he hoped for.
It's going to be interesting because that's the idea about trying to improve trade in America, was to get more industry back to the United States and then drive its currency lower. But at the moment, it's not happening that way. I've got to tell you, Sean Callow, always good to chat to you. Many thanks for your time today.
You're welcome.